So it happened. What ultimately happens? A setback. A big one. Yep. Hey guys, what's up? It's been quite a while. All right, so where is it? Where is this place? All right. I know it's been some time since we last did something, but you know, with the current virus going on and everything, it's been real crazy. So right now, I'm on my way out to the farm. Larry told me to look for something along the side of the road, a particular bird, but I don't think it's out here. So yeah, let's get to the farm and see what's been going on, guys. Well, there's the farm. All right. Grandma's here. Or, well, at least she's home. The gate's open. Rabbit! Your what? Your panel. It looks ugly. What's this supposed to do? Oh, are we already painting? Already painting here? Okay, I guess I'm wrong. Oh! We plugged up the hole. Yeah. You don't come over here for like 3 days and everything's all changed, rearranged. Do you already know where we're building where we're digging the trench?
Yeah. See, I already changed this.
I saw you plugged up the hole.
Yeah, look. I tore down all the rot.
Oh, okay.
I'm done with that whole roof. I just chucked out from the wall there, clean that up, side that in. This is our sports corner.
Okay. I like it. Our sports room has a dirt bike in it.
Well, that's just for now.
It has a dirt. That's how sporty we are.
Eventually, everything will be out here. All these parts will go in there. But I have to get that room cleaned up before I try putting everything in there. Now I'm just trying to get the rot out and get all the outside. Oh, that thing's ridiculous. I just want a little atmosphere. He's gonna like the whole property.
He's like, no, we don't do atmosphere. We do convenience. We do functionality. And where's it running to?
The power pole all the way to there. So we're gonna hug the tree line about 3 or 4 feet off the trees all the way back to the power pole.
On what side? This side?
This side.
Okay. So we need to move this wood then?
No, it's on. We're gonna put it on this in the street side.
Oh, okay. Oh. Got the wire?
Yeah. So they don't go to anywhere.
Oh, there was nothing on it?
Nope, I just pulled them right there.
Oh.
But look at how it's got 2 big wires and 1 small one. It had to be something with that 3-phase.
Well, he just pulled it out. What is this, aluminum? Yeah. I was just afraid it was water.
Oh, so, oh, hey there, Ranger. How you doing? Gunner. Where are we thinking about putting it into?
I mean, if we know we're gonna go right away, we get everything ran to here, we can pull this out and go through that same hole.
Yeah, no, probably we'll do that.
The pond could be down for a half an hour or so.
So
Is that something we could do today, or would that be a today and tomorrow thing?
$930 for wire.
And we need the conduit, but the conduit probably won't be, but I don't think that maybe. Is this water still running?
No, I turned it off.
So you probably get some glue too. I don't have any of the gray glue. PVC glue.
Off for another adventure.
Off on another adventure. What are we going to get this time?
Some wire.
Just wire?
And pipe.
And pipe. And why are we getting wire and pipe?
No, lay some pipe.
Oh, laying pipe today. Yeah.
Let's light up my garage.
That's right. So we are, I'm not going to say building a new one, more like building an extension. We're adding an extension to our garage. And in order to do that, we need to have power to it, because the power that we got running to it isn't going to be enough to supply the whole entire thing when it's done. So we are on our way to a home improvement store to get the material that we need.
Yes.
Fun times indeed.
$195 amps, and I have a 200 amp panel, so.
Okay. So we're getting that right there. 2.0 standard 500 feet. And we don't need that much, but better safe than sorry.
Well, 50 feet extra. For that price, though, all it's doing online is that's what I thought.
Steal.
I'll get it for $500. That's a steal.
All right, so we just left the home improvement store. Turns out they didn't have everything we needed, so now we got to run over here to the other one. So hopefully we can get everything we need here, the other one. Yes. That's a nice bike. about 9:26. Been out here for an hour. Okay. So this is what we're doing. We're digging a trench. Why? Because we're going to war. Where are we going to war against? Bad looking cars. So as we are building the extension to our garage, as we said before, we need to upgrade our power box. This is our old power. Old, decrepit, works but doesn't work at the same time. These are the pipes that we got to run our new wires, and this one's going to be pretty straightforward. This trench runs straight from our power, from PG&E power, which is right over there. I'm not so sure if you guys can see it, but there's a telephone pole and then another small pole. That's where our main power junction is. So we got this trench coming through here, and we're going to go right to our new fuse box, which is going to be on the other side of this wall right here. We'll go inside and I'll show you really quickly. Right here. Here's our new fuse box. So we're going to have the wires come in right here from the outside out of the trench and either run them in here or in up here. We don't know yet. As you can see right here, there's a pipe that we had to cut. This is what ran the old power. As you can see, the junction box or connector box is right there. The old power was run kind of janky just because we didn't have enough wire and pipes to do it all in one unified run. So we ran some, went out, got some more, came back, ran some more. Didn't have enough, had to run back out one last time. So it's very skitter, scattered, patter. So, but took the wires out. We unplugged it, so now there's no power over there. Yep. Took the wires out, cut all the roots. Don't worry, guys, the trees are okay. Repeat, the trees are okay because we like our green. And now we're just getting the trench dug to the right depth that we want. So that's what Larry is doing right here. He's digging it out. So it happened. What ultimately happens? A setback. A big one. Yep. Hit a water line. But luckily, this is just the overflow line, right?
No, that's to our house.
So we can't shut it off though?
Well, it's shut off from there, but it's all the water from here on the river.
Oh, so it's all the water that's in the house already.
In the house and all.
Did you tell Mom?
Well, I didn't.
Should we tell her?
She'll find out when there's no water.
All right, so now I gotta dig this trench twice as fast.
Take a minute and just listen. Can you hear that rushing through your head? Take a minute and just listen. Can you feel that? Know it's out there running inside you. Feel the music pumping through your veins. Know it's out there running inside you. Feel the music. We'll pull you closer. You'll feel the beat now. We'll pull you closer.
We got the wire problem kind of sort of situated. It's not flowing, pipe cut. So gotta kink it or bend it, and then we can reestablish it and then run the wire. Still digging out this trench. Almost done though. And Mom is on her way to get lunch. And it's 12:10. All right. Well, just like normally, everything was going good, and then one little mess up and a mistake, and we're down like 3 hours.
thought we'd be almost getting ready to put in the hole now.
Yeah, that water pipe, man. Water pipe.
On the physical on the scene, the homie spirit elevated, now be rested in peace. Be on the fences, barbed wire where the rookies retire. Sit on the bench. Slump catalog for the homeboys who never go make it out. About to show the youngins another way out. Teach the peeps how to live, how to figure it out. Another body count the slug, left them leaned on the couch. Ride to the morgue from the south side, riding through the south side, dipping through the south side, putting on for the south side. Fighting for my homies who never gon' see the outside. Striving for my youngins to give them a better life, right? See, I'm from the south side, raised on the south side, grew up on the south side, came a man on the south side, fighting for.
All right, so we got our wires ran. There's the hole.
I'm almost thinking we should try to see if we can pull more wire. I don't know if it's have enough yet.
You got extra wire on that side.
Yeah.
So,
Might pull more.
but it's going to be running down this trench. Trench is all done right now. We're working on gluing up the pipe. Pipe number 1. We got to do a second pipe that we're going to put on top of this. It's going to be running all the way down here in that trench. All the way down.
How high is the pond? Is it? Oh, I wish it was full.
Turn the corner. And there's the water pipe that we hit, that we fixed. Why did we have to kink it up?
Kink what up?
The pipe.
What do you mean kink?
Well, I mean, not kink, but like, did we have to?
Make it U?
Yeah.
It's the only way you can get pipe. You can't put 2 solid pieces. There's no way to move it. 3 pieces.
Okay. Well, trench it all the way to our fuse box over here, which is going to be this one right here. Which then runs up and over, and that's our UPS or PG&E. Sorry, and that's Ranger. Hey, Ranger. All right.